Hi viewers, welcome to Linuxschool.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Quick.Cart version 6.7 on Linux Mint 18.3. Quick.Cart is a free platform to create own shopping website like Flipkart, eBay and Amazon and etc. And then it does not require any database to run. It just requires web server and PHP to be installed on the system. Okay, now let us see how to install Quick.Cart version 6.7 on Linux Mint 18.3. Before starting our installation, you have to need Apache and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.0. Okay, first of all we have to download the Quick.Cart package using by wget command. After downloading, we have to extract and rename the download directory using by unzip command. Then we have to list out this directory. Now we have to move the Quick.Cart directory into the /var/ww/html directory. Now go to HTML directory. Here we have to list out this directory. Then we have to change ownership and permission for the Quick.Cart directory. Then we have to configure the virtual host for Quick.Cart. So go to site available location. Here we have to create quick.conf file using my Vim editor. Change insert mode. Then here we have to create name-based virtual host. So we have to add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the quick.conf file. Then we have to enable the read write model. After enabling, we have to enter to the host file. Change insert mode. Give our local IP. Give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache web server. After restarting our Apache web server, we have to open the browser. Here we have to give our local IP or domain name. Here I have to give domain name. Then /admin.php. Then hit enter. Here it will show on a login page of Quick.Cart. The default username and password admin. So we have to give username and password. Now we have to click login. Here it will show on a admin page of Quick.Cart. Now you can able to using this Quick.Cart application. That's all about for installation of Quick.Cart. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxschool. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxschool.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxschool.com.